The internet is a vast and complex landscape. Beneath the surface lies a hidden realm known as the dark web. This encrypted network offers anonymity to its users. It has become a breeding ground for illegal activities, making it a significant concern for law enforcement and cybersecurity experts worldwide. The dark web is often misunderstood. Not everything on the dark web is illegal. Journalists and activists use it for secure communication. Whistleblowers can share sensitive information anonymously. Understanding the multifaceted nature of the dark web is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate its risks while preserving its potential benefits. By shedding light on the dark web's inner workings, this essay aims to raise awareness about the dangers it poses. It encourages readers to take proactive steps to protect themselves in the digital age. To understand the dark web, one must first grasp the structure of the internet. It can be visualized as an iceberg. The tip of the iceberg, visible to all, is the surface web. This is the part we use daily. It includes websites indexed by search engines like Google. Below the surface lies the deep web. This vast repository contains information not indexed by standard search engines. It includes databases, cloud storage, and password-protected websites. While the deep web is not inherently illegal, a small portion of it is dedicated to anonymity and hidden services. This is the dark web. The dark web is intentionally hidden. It requires specific software and configurations to access. This anonymity makes it attractive to individuals engaging in illegal activities. Understanding the distinction between the surface web, deep web, and dark web is crucial. Accessing the dark web is not as simple as typing a URL into a regular browser. It requires specific software, the most common being Tor, the onion router. Tor anonymizes internet traffic by routing it through a network of relays located around the world. This layered approach, like the layers of an onion, makes it difficult to trace the user's IP address and location. Other tools, such as I2P and Freenet, also provide access to the dark web. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses regarding anonymity, speed, and ease of use. However, Tor remains the most popular choice for both legitimate and illicit purposes. While Tor and similar tools provide a high degree of anonymity, they are not foolproof. Law enforcement agencies have developed techniques to de-anonymize users. Simply accessing the dark web is not illegal, but engaging in illegal activities can have severe legal consequences. The dark web has undergone significant evolution since its inception. What began as a platform for anonymous communication has transformed into a marketplace for illicit goods and services. The early days of the dark web were characterized by forums and chat rooms where users could exchange information and ideas freely. However, the emergence of hidden services like Silk Road in the early 2010s marked a turning point. Silk Road, an online marketplace operating on the dark web, gained notoriety for facilitating the sale of illegal drugs. Its founder, Ross Ulbricht, was eventually arrested and the site was shut down. Today, the dark web has become a hub for cybercrime. New threats emerge regularly, requiring constant adaptation and innovation to stay ahead of the curve. Section 5. Illegal activities on the dark web. The anonymity provided by the dark web makes it an attractive platform for a wide range of illegal activities. This hidden part of the internet is not indexed by traditional search engines, making it difficult to trace and monitor. Among the most prevalent is the sale of stolen data. Personal information including credit card details, social security numbers, and login credentials are frequently traded. Hackers and data breaches often result in massive amounts of personal information being compromised and offered for sale on dark web marketplaces. These breaches can affect millions of individuals, leading to identity theft and financial loss. Hacking for hire services are also readily available. These services can be used for corporate espionage, personal vendettas, or even political sabotage. Individuals or groups can hire experienced hackers to carry out various cyber attacks. These attacks can range from simple website defacements to complex network infiltrations. The dark web is a breeding ground for malware distribution. Malicious software can be used to steal data, disrupt services, or hold systems hostage. Hackers can buy, sell, and trade various malicious software, including ransomware, spyware, and botnet malware. These tools are often used in coordinated attacks to maximize damage. Counterfeit goods are also widely available. These items can range from fake luxury handbags to imitation electronics. From fake luxury goods to counterfeit pharmaceuticals, the dark web provides a platform for selling and distributing these products. These counterfeit items can pose serious health risks and financial losses to consumers. Human trafficking, while less common, is a horrifying reality on the dark web. This illicit trade involves the buying and selling of individuals for exploitation. Victims are bought and sold, often for sexual exploitation or forced labor. The anonymity of the dark web makes it difficult to track and rescue these victims. Ransomware as a service has become a growing trend. This model allows even those with limited technical skills to launch ransomware attacks. Cybercriminals develop and lease out ransomware strains to other criminals. This has led to an increase in ransomware attacks worldwide. Phishing schemes, designed to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, are also prevalent on the dark web. These schemes often involve fake emails or websites that appear legitimate. The dark web's anonymity fosters an environment where illegal activities can thrive, posing a constant challenge to law enforcement and cybersecurity efforts. Despite ongoing efforts, the battle against dark web crime continues to be an uphill struggle. Section 6. Case Studies: The Impact of Dark Web Crimes. The impact of dark web crimes is far-reaching, affecting individuals, businesses, and governments worldwide. These crimes can lead to significant financial losses, emotional distress, and even threats to national security. Several high-profile cases highlight the real-world consequences of these illegal activities. These cases serve as stark reminders of the dangers lurking in the hidden corners of the internet. The case of Silk Road, mentioned earlier, brought the dark web into the public eye, demonstrating its potential for facilitating large-scale drug trafficking. This notorious marketplace operated with impunity for years, enabling the sale of illegal drugs and other contraband. Ross Ulbricht, the site's founder, was sentenced to life in prison. His arrest and conviction marked a significant victory for law enforcement agencies worldwide. Another notable case is the WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017. This attack showcased the devastating potential of cyber attacks originating from the dark web. This global cyber attack exploited a vulnerability in Microsoft Windows operating systems, infecting hundreds of thousands of computers in over 150 countries. The rapid spread of the ransomware caused panic and chaos across the globe. The attack caused widespread disruption to businesses and organizations, including healthcare facilities, transportation systems, and government agencies. Critical services were halted, and the economic impact was substantial. The case of Alphabet, another dark web marketplace, highlights the collaborative efforts of law enforcement agencies in combating dark web crime. This operation involved multiple countries and showcased the importance of international cooperation. These cases demonstrate the severe consequences of dark web crimes and the importance of international cooperation and robust cybersecurity measures in combating this growing threat. The fight against dark web crime is ongoing, requiring constant vigilance and adaptation to new challenges. Section 7. Combating dark web threats. Combating dark web threats requires a multi-pronged approach involving law enforcement agencies, cybersecurity professionals, and policymakers. Law enforcement agencies worldwide are increasingly focusing on tackling dark web crime. They are developing specialized units with the expertise and resources to investigate and prosecute individuals and groups operating on the dark web. Cybersecurity professionals play a crucial role in protecting individuals and organizations from dark web threats. This includes implementing robust cybersecurity measures and educating employees about cybersecurity best practices. Policymakers have a crucial role to play in creating a legal framework that effectively addresses dark web crime. Raising public awareness about dark web threats is also essential. Individuals need to be aware of the risks associated with the dark web and take steps to protect themselves. Section 8. Positive uses of the dark web. While the dark web is often associated with illegal activities, it's important to acknowledge that it also has legitimate uses. These uses are often overlooked but can be crucial in certain situations. Journalists and activists, particularly in countries with repressive regimes, use the dark web for secure communication and information sharing. This allows them to report on critical issues without fear of retribution. Whistleblowers can also use the dark web to anonymously leak information about illegal or unethical activities within organizations or governments. This anonymity is crucial for their safety and the integrity of the information. Law enforcement agencies also utilize the dark web for intelligence gathering and investigations. They monitor illegal activities and gather evidence to combat cybercrime effectively. The dark web can also serve as a tool for circumventing censorship and accessing information that may be blocked by governments or organizations. This is particularly useful for individuals in countries with restricted internet access. This can be particularly relevant in countries with strict internet controls, where accessing unbiased information is a challenge. While the positive uses of the dark web do not outweigh the risks associated with its illegal activities, they highlight the importance of a nuanced understanding of this complex online environment. It's a double-edged sword that requires careful handling. Balancing the need to combat crime with the protection of legitimate activities on the dark web remains a significant challenge. This balance is essential for maintaining both security and freedom in the digital age. Section 9. Conclusion: Navigating the digital landscape. The dark web, a hidden part of the internet, presents both opportunities and challenges. While it offers anonymity and freedom from censorship, it has also become a hub for illegal activities, posing a significant threat to individuals, businesses, and governments worldwide. Understanding the dark web's intricacies and the evolving nature of cybercrime is crucial for developing effective strategies to mitigate its risks. Law enforcement agencies, cybersecurity professionals, and policymakers must work together to combat dark web crime. As technology advances, the dark web is likely to evolve further, presenting new challenges and opportunities. By fostering a greater understanding of the dark web and promoting responsible online behavior, we can strive to create a safer and more secure digital landscape for everyone.